Hi guys, welcome to topic 11, lesson 1. Now topic 11 is about business opportunity and related factors. Please copy the keywords on page 154 up until page 161 for me. Okay, we're going to have a look at research instruments to assess needs and desires. The importance of research. Now, to become successful, entrepreneurs need to be resourceful, creative, and hardworking. They need to be willing to take calculated risks. Now, to do this, they need to conduct research to know the risk. Now, research is a systematic investigation to find facts or to collect information. Good quality research gives entrepreneurs information which allows them to make profitable decisions. Now remember, every entrepreneur wants to make money. The risk of loss is run when you don't carry out sufficient and complete research. Research instruments. It is a device or tool that can be used to gather information or to form a set of guidelines for observation. There are different ways of collecting information. Okay, first we're going to have a look at using available information. This is when you use information that is already collected by other companies or other persons. Now, this information needs to be located, accessed, and used. The advantages is that it is quite cheap. The disadvantages is that the information that is available might be incomplete or not suitable for you. There might be legal or ethical issues that can arise using this information. Then we have observations. This is where specific behaviors are selected, watched, and recorded. The observer watches with focus and attention and makes notes. The advantages of observations is that it makes more information available without any restrictions. The disadvantages here is that the observer needs to be trained. He or she needs to know exactly what to look for. Now, the observer can be biased, meaning he or she can only see and hear what they want. The participants might not remember, or the instruments might be defective. If we look at interviews, responses are collected from an individual or group and may be recorded. Now, one person leads the questioning while another person needs to respond. It is a two-way exchange of information, therefore it's like a conversation. There's no advantages you need to know here. If we look at the disadvantages, questions need to be prepared in such a way that it is not sensitive or offensive. The time and venue should be chosen. Sometimes it's difficult to get a venue. Views may be personal and biased, meaning the interviewer might ask, "Do you like the color red?" And if the response is, "No, I do not," then the interviewer might not like that and therefore be biased. If we look at questionnaires, it is a set of questions prepared and circulated for completion. Now, these responses are done in writing. They can be posted on different forms such as newspapers, and the responses can either be direct or it can be emailed or sent through. The advantages here, it is relatively simple and useful. It is cheap. It is anonymous. It eliminates bias because you do not know who it is, and it does not require processing assistance. The disadvantages here is answers to open-ended questions may be too vague. So the moment the person that needs to answer this does not understand you, they might not be able to give you the correct answers. Now we look at focus group discussions. This is a group of 10 people that discuss a certain topic. They are guided by a facilitator and they have an opportunity to comment on their responses or the responses of other people. The advantages here is it helps to understand problems and problems that might arise. It is useful for exploring controversial topics as well. There are no disadvantages that you need to know of. Now, if we look at market surveys, it is a sample of responses that is chosen. They usually make use of questionnaires or interviews. The advantages here: useful to collect a lot of information relatively quickly, and it helps to address specific questions. The disadvantages, though, are that surveys will need to be well designed to collect relevant information. Okay, so you focus only on your market, but it needs to be well designed, meaning it might take a while before you can do your market survey. Now, if we look at what should be researched, a way to remember this is PMC. First, we have P, the product. Okay, now you need to research new products. The new products will appeal to people who have a desire to be seen as leaders or pioneers and serve as a good test for marketing purposes. All products should also be a research. It relates to product differentiation, where products are made to look different and superior to others. Just think about cell phones. Each cell phone has something else and something new each time something new is launched. Okay, M, the market. Remember, you need to know everything about your enemy, your competitor. How many competitors do you have? How well established are your competitors and why? If you know everything about them, you can obviously become better than them. Then C, customers. You should collect information on your customers' income, age groups, level of education, tastes and preferences, and social and cultural beliefs. If you know your customer, you know what to give them. Okay, I hope you understood everything. Please do activity 1 on page 157 for me. Please stay safe. I miss you guys so much and I cannot wait to see each and every face.